Okay, today we're talking about something I just stumbled upon and it's blowing my mind. If you're posting content, if you are a content poster and you're doing so without checking this first, you could be, or most likely, definitely wasting time. I use this to instantly and actually find out what is performing on TikTok and Instagram. No guessing, no vibes, no gut feeling, true stats. All right, as you can see here, this is sortfeed.com. So really simply what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna open Instagram. I'm gonna go over to the search bar. This is kind of where you might wanna find someone in your niche. So for this example, let's just say I'm a soccer star. I'm a up and coming and I wanna have a good social media presence. I'm gonna look to who's doing it best. I think Cristiano Ronaldo is the #1 followed Instagram human in the world, and check out his account. Yeah, what does that say? 670 million, not bad. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up to the extensions tab here. I've already gone ahead and downloaded it. Super simple, I'll show you that in a second. And then you can either sort by item, which is what I choose, or you can sort by date if you want to. But when I click sort by item, you can go down and do the latest 25 to, all items. Only thing I'll say here, it just takes a little bit longer if you do their entire feed. So just for this case, I'm gonna do latest 100 items. And then I'm gonna go sort by views. As you can see here, it's sorting the latest 100 posts from Cristiano. And then once that's done, it will show like this. So within his last 100 posts, the top left here, of course, one without his shirt on, has 576 million views. So that's when you're gonna go and do your research on what you believe made that viral. Obviously you can get really analytical with this, do your own research, throw it into another AI chatbot to kind of do a further analysis. But within SortFeed itself, you can take a few action steps. I'll show you right here where you can transcribe the video itself, and then actually where you can download it. A lot of times you need another third-party application to download a video, but you can do that right here. And then right up here in the top right, you can export these 100 items as well. And like I said too, you can also sort it by likes, comments, things like that. And then I did want to go back to the sortfeed.com page really quick to talk pricing. There's technically 3 pricing options, but really 2 packages, if you will. There's the free package, which you can see here, sorts 25 posts per profile, exports 25 posts, downloads 25 posts. I used this for a day and I was sold. So I'm just saying, go ahead, use it, but you're gonna wanna upgrade almost immediately. And then you can see the cost savings here. If you pay annually, it's significant. I think you save, it says 53%. You save 53% if you pay annually. So that's what I did. $9 a month, felt pretty reasonable. This is where I'll drop a quick comment. I legitimately purchased this unknowing that they had an affiliate program, but I reached out almost immediately, said, I wanna make you a video. They said, sure, we'll give you a small kickback if anyone purchases through your link. That being said, if you choose to purchase this and wanna help this small channel out, there's a link below in the description. It just allows me to continue making videos like this. It truly does mean a lot. Okay, last thing I'll say, there's a quick FAQ page. I looked through these really quickly, super helpful. And honestly, I didn't have any questions, but if you had some, I'm sure they're dropped right here. Don't forget the button up here on the top right to make it very easily accessible to add to your Chrome browser. Okay, friends, that's it. Like I said, I'm an evangelist for this. I immediately downloaded and paid for it because I saw the impact that it could make. I already do this type of research and it takes up so much of my time scrolling through and finding most viewed posts. And there's other programs out here like this, but not that are just specifically for sorting through Instagram and TikTok feeds like this, that I've found. All right, until next time, see you later.